All right, first single track on the 2022 300 XCW. Oh yeah. Thing's got some power, for sure. Little slow off the throttle. Like it takes a little ways. I'm in second here. Kind of feels like I want to twist the throttle more. Almost like I want a shorter throttle. It's got a ton of power though. A little bit of a delay. Where I kind of want to clutch it a little bit, kind of like how I would an older two-stroke. You can hear it get into the power band. That first hit of the throttle is delayed almost. Maybe it's so that you don't wheel spin, because this is like the hard enduro model, you know. Suspension feels good. Like I'm not even paying attention to it, and it's soaking everything up really well. This is completely stock, other than a cut seat and the starter buttons. Can't stand that 2-button start, or where it's combined into one. This is way better. It's the old school style KTM. I think Milo brand or whatever makes these ones. Did some log hop tests. Oh, pretty good. I'd say that feels pretty good. It's just that power is, even though on the single track it feels kind of delayed, on those log hops it felt like it was right there, which was pretty nice. I think if this had a carburetor on it, I would probably lean it out a little bit with the air screw, just so it hits a little bit faster. I don't know, this bike feels really good. Stock tires. Air pressure 10 in the front, 7 in the rear. I haven't ran air in forever, but it's definitely a lot more pressure than I normally do. My hard enduro setup is super soft, so this is different. I'm sure the rolling speed is a lot better with harder tires. I think there's a log coming up here. Oh, did someone cut it? Oh, I was looking forward to a little log test. Oh, here we go. Downhill, sideways log. Oh, I messed up. I don't want it. Pretty good. My back end kind of bucked up. I don't think the rear suspension is as good as I've got a track shock on my linkage bike, so kind of not fair. Oh, my brake pedal's not set up quite perfect yet. But when I go to hit that, like the little rock jump, the power was kind of there. It didn't like bog down. Felt pretty good. I am impressed with this bike so far. Literally just my first run. Rode the fire road over here. First single track on it. Feels super comfortable. Little tall. I just did a little nose pivot there, and yeah, I can feel it's a lot taller than my bike. Even with the cut seat, my XC is stock suspension, but it is soft suspension. I didn't set the sag. I didn't set the sag on this yet, but I could go softer. I only weigh 150, so I'm close to stock, but I do like it soft for hard enduro and for just clearance. Switchbacks, not used to a hard tire. You could hear it just kind of locking up on the skids. So I should say this isn't even my bike. This is my girlfriend's bike. She just picked it up from Let's Ride in Idaho. And she's let me do the first ride on it. She said just don't get it dirty. She didn't say anything about scratching it. Hopefully I don't scratch it. So I am having to clutch it out of those turns to get up to speed. More like a, you know, older two-stroke style. This thing feels good though. I gotta say I want one. I've been trying to figure out which one. Which TBI I should say. Suspension not too stiff. I mean, like I said, it could go softer, but like hitting that, it felt pretty damn good. Like, oh, I'm so happy that KTM doesn't make the suspension insanely soft, insanely hard. Kind of like how the Sherco was. It's just set up. This is set up for trail riding. It's just plain and simple. It's not set up for motocross racing. Feels good. Woo. That was the first time I rode this bike. Completely stock, nothing on it. This thing felt good. Suspension felt really good. I am impressed. Stock. I like it.